Hi, this is Master Ken. Um, this is our pre-assessment, and now we'll show you how to answer this. So we click on this. Now we go over the first questions here. That's one, and the answer would be. Um, so what's the annual total sales for all the annual? So year 2017, right, from January to December. So what is the annual sales? So you just use here in the sum function and select this item here and enter. That's the value. So you can key in this value or paste it here. That's okay. Now the next thing is that what is the monthly average sales for all store for each month? Monthly average sales. Monthly average sales. Okay, monthly average sales for all store. So I think that I should say monthly average sales for each month. So there's a lot. Okay. Maybe I should answer questions, change it to which month has the highest monthly services. Okay, let's change it to this one here. Which month is the has the has the highest monthly average sales also. So which month? Let's look at this here. So we answer these questions, and what will happen? Okay. So let's see here, which month? So average sales right here. So we can just type in Ever's average for among these 7 countries. Oh, so which one is the highest? So which one is highest? So which one is highest? You know which one is highest? Well, you can use the max function. Highlight this, and what do we get? 40. Oh yeah, so this is the one. So which is October? So we just type in October. Highlight all sales value above 30,000 in year 2017. Okay, so we change it to 17. So highlight that. So just highlight them here, go to here, choose this, highlight greater than 30,000 in green. Okay, and that's it. So these are the cells. So how many cells of value is more than 30,000? So how many of them? So you just count, right? How many of them? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 9. So if we add up all together, would be sum of over here 45. So is that correct? Let's just try another one. Count if highlight all this here and comma greater than 30,000. 44. So you can see that am I missing anyone? No, it's not. So it's 44, it's not 45. So the answer is 44. Okay, so 44 right here, 44. Oh yeah, I forgot to enter the start time. So then you have what's the function to count how many stores? So the answer is count. Okay. So now I just key in this thing here. So start time. Let's go to the next one. Let's look at one more. Okay, so this answer. So what's please break the column I. So their questions should be okay. Let's enter the timer. So this is the time. First, break the column I value into different columns as shown in the expected outcome. I say, okay, okay, I should say, what is the method is that is fastest? What is the faster way can break the column I? What is the faster method they can break the column B value into different column and showing the expected outcome? Okay, so maybe these are the better questions to answer that. Okay, so what's the faster method? So the answer is well, if you can answer text to column or anywhere, right, they can use X column, then the answer already. So let's just enter the time. So 2 minutes. So let's move on. So please highlight this one here. So again, let's just enter the time and figure out this. Highlight all in cell. So we'll just type in Malaysia. We'll just go here, click OK, and Singapore. Okay, and Indonesia. Okay, and these are the three. Okay, so you can just highlight them, do that in yellow. Okay, these are the three, and complete. So 1 minute. Okay, you can see that is already highlighted. Okay. Next one. Okay, so this one is a text color, or it should be this one. So let's just enter this time. Text color should be in white. Font color should be array. Text color should be 14. Text size should be 14. So let's see what's line is 14. So now it's right here. This is also 14. So this is a column with all those column. So it should be, so changing that all. And you also need to highlight the color. Okay. Anyway, we can still do this first. 14. Font color should be array. This one here. And the text size, it should be white color. Yeah, just this two column this time here. Okay, maybe that's. So now next one is that. Oh, but I cannot see the color. Okay, so change first. So interior division. So as you can see that interior will be in pink color. So we just change it to pink. Maybe here. Then Kudat. Kudat area is somewhere in the gray. So we just use that somewhere there. Okay, and then you have Sandakan. Sandakan somewhere in the blue, purple, somewhere here. No, not exactly, but you can use this color to choose that. Very similar to that would be not really. Somewhere here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Not exactly, yeah. So Tawau, something like that. Okay. So as you can see that there is no eye drop color feature in this. So anyway, you can change the color to this white color. Okay, almost there. So let's change and the time. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's move on. So again, and the time. Okay, that is 2020. So we just insert the new worksheet and call it 2019 plan and start with January. You over here, just drag it until December. So maybe I just copy this, put it here. Okay, so then I have the wording. So you can see here, there's a quarter. Okay, there's a quarter here. So you gotta type in here. So quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 4. Change 3. Change 4. Then you insert column, insert, insert, insert. Okay, wrap text. Over here, wrap text. You can press the F4 to speed up the things here, and we have the my 2019 plan. Okay, so highlight them all until the end. Merge again. You can enlarge it and change the color if you like to. Okay, orange, blue color. Okay, not exactly, but you should get a hand of it. Okay, so that's the hardest. Okay, so these are hardest preps. Is that you need to use this merge and merge across. Come here also the same. Merge across. Oops. Merge across. So here, merge across. Press the function key F4 to repeat the same thing. Easy, easy. I mean, just easy, very easy. Right. Okay, here. So we're somewhere closer to that already. Green color. Again, F4 is just easy for you to do the changes because not that hard. Basically, not that hard. Okay, bring thing, maybe. All right, go. Okay, so then highlight these 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you go to this here, and you can see that they are not really in this. So go to orientation, go to landscape. Still not really that good. So we can adjust this here. This is here, but there's options that you can use to say, I want to fit all in one page, one pro. See what happened? So everything is there. See, if I don't have this thing, then so everything is right in the one page. And here you can have the header, private and confidential. Okay, that's it. That's how you print if you want to print it out. So let's answer the questions. Done. 3 minutes. Next one is this. Let's make again. Answer. Start time. Control shift time. Align the text in or in customer to be left align. So just go here, left align. Okay. 3. And paste in the column, sales name, so on. So this column sales and the column sales columns and the cost vary from this and to example. So is that's what it means. Control shift down, head back, and go to here. Click on this, and there you go. Just press this button, and that's it. Control shift down. 1 minute. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so which use filter to find out the answer. Total sales in Perak state. Well, what is that? Okay, let's Control Shift L. In state, Perak state, total sales. So just highlight them, go out, Perak, what's the total sales, annual sales here, okay. And that would be 21085. 21085. So just type 21085. That's it. And the female customer in Sabah, let's just go to Shift L, then go Shift L, go to Sabah, Sabah, female, how much? The number of customer, right? Total number of customer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put it at 5. Total number of customer, go to Shift L, was total number of customers. So we'll just highlight that here. You have 67. Yes, 67. 67. Ah, I forgot this at the time. Okay, next one. Shift time, enter. So what's the highest? What's the get the highest price for each ingredient? So highest price. What is this one? Here, this is the one, huh? This is the one. This is the column that you want to look at. So what's the highest? So the answer would be, you got it. It's A. Shift now. 1 minute. So what is it? Guess the lowest. So lowest here, well, that would be B. Correct. It's B. Ah, not again. Well, actually, less than that. 1 minute there. So B10. B10. So we have a few of these. So copy the format in cell A7 to B7 and so on. So what is that? Is that you use, okay, let's just enter time. And using this, highlight that. Using this, highlight that. So yeah, somewhere here. Okay, just copy this, put it here one more time. That is how to computer formatting. And this is the one here. So you want to enter this one. If you're very good at this, then you can, in one shot, you know what is that here. And now you want to copy this down to here, and it's done. Shift enter. 1 minute. Answer. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's just enter, and I'll move the clear. Just go format. Okay, so next one. So answer. The start time. So get a grand total in cell F28. This is this cell here. Okay. So, but you need to answer this. In order to answer this, you need to first answer the quantity, right? So what is the thing? So this one here, you need to refer to here. So order number 1 will have 18%. Why is it so? Because it's right here. So it's 18%. Okay, so the first one I already show you is here. So now what is the next one? 188. 188 is somewhere here. So it's 8%, should be 8%. So what is the answer for this? So it's using the VLOOKUP functions and select this item, comma, and highlight them here all. And we're going to use the true type. Enter, and don't forget that you need to highlight. So whenever you use some VLOOKUP function, right, you need to be very careful on this. Okay, just double click here, and the formula here is the same thing. You need to mark it. Then double click, and this one here also not equal. So the answer would be 328, and this one. So that's the answer. Or 2 minutes. Shift enter, time. Okay, so please complete the multiplication below. So what's the total for the range? Okay, so you need to first answer this one. So that's the hint. The hint is complete this first here. How do you hint? How do you solve? So for example, in cell C6, you need to enter equal B6 times the C7, C5 and enter. So now you want to solve all this one by one. So very important is that you must understand how to use this dollar sign and this dollar sign here. And double click, oops, double click. So what's the total? So the total is actually the sum of until here and enter. So the answer is 44. Well, 1 minute. Okay, so this one here. Answer. So start time F7. Here. So it's just that the origin should have the same value as F7. So what you do is that select this item here, hold out Control key and press equal, click on this cell here, press the Option key, Control Enter, got it done. Let's do the same one here. Equal, click on this, lock it, Enter. So of course I have advantage because the questions I designed by myself, so I know how to answer it. But the technique will be the same. Yeah? Hold out Control key, click on this, press 4, Control Enter. Forgot the time again. Okay, timing. Well, timing. Answer. So how do you start to answer this question, right? So you got to create based on the project list below. Let's enter the time, read the days, create a subtotal for each status, and also calculate 10% out of this. So whereas these questions calculate 10%, should be like this: 10% of each out of this total. So what's the answer, right? Can be subtotal. So what's the subtotal? How do you answer this subtotal? And you should have something like that easier. So you go to insert, go to pivot table, and these are the simplest one to ask to answer using subtotal, right? So click OK, and the project status and the project cost. So you should have this answer here. Right click, and should be far from there. Number, use just separator, click OK, and there you are. This is the answer for each of them. So Control C, right click, paste it here. Control C, right click, paste it here. Control C, right click, paste it here. Control C, right click, paste it here, and so on. Yeah, we're done. So please put the grand total, right? The grand total is right here. So this is the one. So what's the grand total? For this is a grand total. Control C. So if I have this thing here, what's the grand total? So grand total can be also the sum of this whole list here. Shift down and enter. So you should be getting the same value here. Okay, so now go to the summary and press equal, click on this cell here. This is cost worksheet, and we done this answer, and the time and end time, click end 8:28. So if we take the equal this time and minus the start time, so oops, so 23 minutes is all I get to solve all the set questions together with all answer. Okay, so well, you can think about it as the these questions may take slightly more time. Okay, let's just start again. But I give you some idea, yeah. So time wise, I think around 5 minutes can answer this question. Okay, 5 questions. So thanks for watching. God bless you.